Ukiri mwega mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV ngibashia mwanya ne gwitikira kunyitana ibihoini wa umubi muhoro gafiru tukote kumenyithia mara mabite na bina kuhanika thiini wa bururi mubenye wa umubi tariki 3 mweri wa gatandatu mwaka wa 2026 jetagwo Maureen wa nake mwabiriri na njira ya shiko na tuko tukinyitanira nake ni Lorraine Wambui tukirika muhoro-ini tuko tukambina ripoti ya murimu wa Ebola. Ere gutamba kwa murimu wa Ebola guthiete na mbere na gwakiriria bururi-ini wa DRC Congo na bururi-ini turigaine Uganda ataramu ogima wa mwiri gitari-ini kia Afrika ni maranirie kuhetukira mitambo ya ukinyaniria na uria manyitaniire hamwe na korwa na murimu ucio niguo gudugakorwo gitamba mabũrũri-ini mangi ma gitaro kia Afrika. Mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ogima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini Mary Muthoni ni umwe wa atongoria acio kuma mabũrũri-ini 60 mekugitana mucemanio gwa kahinda ka 60 makiraniria na gutigirira ati murimu ucio ndunatamba maiguaniire ati no meguthie na mbere na guthorima muingi mihaka-ini ya mabũrũri maya.
On top of the list,
we meet at an hour of consequence as we monitor the rapidly evolving Budibugyo Ebola virus disease outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda. This pathogen is a brutal reminder that infectious disease threats recognize no borders, respect no sovereignty, and wait for no bureaucracy. And in our deeply interconnected internet, a fever in a border town today is a regional emergency tomorrow. But we are not without weapons, and we are not without experience. So the crucible of COVID-19, previous Ebola outbreaks, Mpox and cholera has forged a singular truth: no nation can build a fortress of health security alone. So to truly protect our people, we must anchor our response in clear, actionable realities. And I urge us to look to the concrete examples of what works, the power of the grassroots. We know that true surveillance does not begin in the laboratories. It begins in our villages. So actively empowering the community health promoters to secure the cornerstone of our national health systems. Secondly, embracing the One Health approach. Ebola is a zoonotic disease, underscoring the absolute necessity for the One Health approach. And third, the regional synergy. And that is what we are bringing here today. During the World Health Summit regional meeting here in Nairobi, we engaged in extensive dialogue on regional health security. While our clinicians and epidemiologists fight the biological battle, it is our duty to fight the systematic ones. We must tear down administrative, financial, and operational bottlenecks that cost us time, because in an Ebola breakout, time is measured in human lives. One Health equally comes in, because we really need to have to be more to moving away from a more reactive approach or containment to a more proactive intelligence, which is non-negotiable for all of us. And we must also leverage on shared digital health infrastructure and regional coordination centers.
Tugutigana ciucigie mihariria ma murimu wa Ebola itari-ini kia Afrika tuguthio na mbere na ciugie murimu uyu. Riu riri thirikari ithiete na mbere na korera mibango ya waki wa thibitarĩ wa arwaru wa Ebola kambĩ-inĩ ya mbiraru mwena wa Nanyuki kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia. Riu anyitĩte rũhonge rwa ũgendi nĩ mareganĩte na mũbango ũcio ũrĩa mugĩte oya kũgũmba igũtha inene sekta ya ũgendi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Oho kuga mĩrũngano ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtabanio nĩ mũingĩ wa Nanyuki na ĩrĩa ĩtanyĩtwo gũthiĩ na mbere ya kũregana na gwakwo gwa thibitarĩ ũcio ya gũkorwo ĩkĩrũga thabarĩ cia agendi mwena ũcio.
Laikipia, as I have mentioned there before, is we attract quite a number of international tourists, including locals. And the idea of Kenya being a host to Ebola, people coming from Uganda or Tanzania, is a negative thing for tourism. I'll say, like, for example, in tourism, it has a 4 multiplier effect. For every tourist that comes into Kenya, 4 people benefit down like the chain. And with this introduction of Americans coming to be treated in Kenya is going to affect tourists in a very, very negative way. Jobs will be lost, businesses will be lost, incomes will be lost, even to KRA.
Here in Laikipia, and that will have a detrimental impact on tourism in Laikipia, especially given that we are currently building that brand of tourism in Laikipia. We know that many people, when they think of tourism in Laikipia or in the country, they usually think about the beach, and then they also think about the safari. Laikipia is building a very strong brand in terms of safari tourism or wildlife tourism, but we're also coming up in terms of MICE or conference tourism, and we're also doing a lot in terms of hotels, lodges, camps, and all other forms of tourism.
Laikipia has become, the structure has been, but it's becoming more a major touristic attraction because of the number of wildlife who are here, very many. The diversity of wildlife is very high. The landscape is very good, mountain viewing all the way to looking at the dry runs, so one can be able to have a very long view from here all the way up to arid lands. And then the ecosystem is very interesting in the sense of very good agricultural land, which looks very much very well conserved. Some of the best agricultural land in the world in the areas of Nanyuki and Timao as we are going to Meru. So it's quite an attractive place for all kinds of touristic activities.
Na tukitigana nisho shigi murimo wa Ebola. Arutwo 8 a thukuru wa imwana wa Makumu Boys High na arĩa marekwĩrwo gũbanga njama ya gũcina thukuru ũcio nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkinya igoti-inĩ rĩa Kakamega mbere ya mũcirithania Steve Wasonga. Arutwo acio marahobanĩirio nĩ arangĩri a thukuru ũcio marĩ hakuhĩ kũra thukuru marĩ na ibũyũ na iria irekwĩrwo marĩ mathiĩ macigũrĩre betũrũ ya gũcina thukuru ũcio. Wakiri wa arutwo acio Adeki Willington nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kũmatetera na akĩũria igoti kũmetĩkĩria makorwo makĩrekererio na mainũke na aciari ũthuthuria ũgĩthiĩ na mbere. Kũrĩ ũguo Mũcirithania Steve nĩ akorirwo agĩtĩkania na ihoya rĩu na akorwo akĩrekereria arutwo acio kũinũka na aciari ao na arĩa morĩtio gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra na maabitha a borithi ũthuthuria ũgĩthiĩ na mbere. Tukivye na mbere na rĩu Festus Kirop nĩ arĩkĩtie kwĩhĩtithio ta mũjumbe mwerũ wa wadi ya Endo kaunti-inĩ ya Elgeyo Marakwet arĩ ta mũjumbe wa kana wa gũcagũrwo wadi-inĩ ĩyo. Kirop acagũrĩtwo kia Jeremiah Biwott na ũrĩa warĩ MCA wa wadi ĩyo. Kirop akĩruta ndũmĩrĩri yake ya mbere bunge-inĩ ya Elgeyo Marakwet arĩtie na ũcamba na kwĩrĩra mũingĩ wa gĩcigo kĩu atĩ harĩ mwaka ũyũ ũmwe ũtigarĩte harĩ tamu ĩno ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ gũkorwo akĩrutithania wĩra na atongoria othe gũtigĩrĩra mũingĩ ũcio nĩ wakinyanĩria motungata ma ũthii wa na mbere. Oho nĩ erire mũingĩ ũcio nĩ gũkorwo agĩtigĩrĩra atĩ ndũrĩrĩ iria cirĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu nĩ cia na ũrũmwe.
I want to really thank the people of Endowat for trusting me again. It's not easy task. After losing an election and coming back, it's not easy. But for me, I want to thank God for this opportunity. Second is to thank the people of Endowat for trusting me again. I know 1 year is just left for this term to end, but I will work very hard in collaboration with the Speaker, my colleagues, the honorable members, even the executive, the governor of our county, that we work very closely to ensure that development now goes to the people of Endowat. I know Endowat has never had representative since we left, since our colleague left us. So, and I have a long duty because these people have a huge expectation from me. And I want to, I believe that with God, I have the capability to handle those issues effectively. First of all, in my first assembly, 2013-2017, the serious challenge that I faced, and that one even contributed to my exit, was the issues of insecurity, banditry in Kerio Valley. We could bury 5-10 people in our weekend, and thus we had a very serious outcry. But today, I want to stand here and thank His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, and our able CS, Honorable Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen. Those two gentlemen have transformed the Kerio Valley. Today, we can never, you cannot hear a gunshot in Kerio Valley. All guns, all illicit firearms have been collected. People have even surrendered voluntarily. We are enjoying peace today in Kerio Valley. So all the time, we've never had development, tangible development. But with the prevailing peace today, I assure you, even we have seen the kind of development that is taking place in Kerio Valley. If you go to our roads that were impassable, from Chesoy all the way to Tot, there were no tarmacs. Mr. Speaker and members, if you can travel that road today, about 5 kilometers of that road is already tarmacked. And the contractors are doing a lot of work, day and night, to ensure that they cover the road within the shortest time.
Tugitigana na riboti yo tukomba gwikiria o hanini tukunde mai tuko tugicokereria na riboti ingi ndugathi haraya.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma, tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Ukitaka mali safi, njoo nami twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
I love you, Lord.
Tomugate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo. Ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, hallelujah.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa na kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko
of God. I love your voice.
Thukuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Roysambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ngabo mwiroreri na nitwacokerege kunyita ugeni kerekaria keri ria mohoro gabiru va imwe tugithie na mbere. Ruhonge rwa gutetera ihoto cia muingi KNCHR nimonete wagagu wao ni kiria maugite ni thirikari gucerithĩria marehi kuri family cia andu aria makwiriire mirungano na ngikogurara. Commissioner wa ruhonge ru Professor Marion Mutugi augite kuma mwaka-ini wa 2019 nginyagia mwaka-ini wa 2024 ne family itanyihire 1,800 ni iria endwa ao miturire yao ethinikanĩtio hĩndĩ ya mĩrũngano itiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ.
Nilishutiwa kwa maandamano ya finance bill hapo nje ya county hapo kwa governor, na hata nilikaa hospitali. Mzazi alitumia pesa mingi sana kwa kunitoa theater. Si ati tunafurahia juu ati kunasemekana tutalipwa. Hata sahi hata mtu kama mimi nikilipwa na brother yangu akienda keshoe itakuwa vibaya juu mtu anaweza enda pia utupe mwili yako ama ukufie huko kabisa.
I've attended several meetings in Nairobi and they've been successful, but you know we always say action speaks louder than words. We need actions now. Tumechoka kuenda meetings. How many meetings are we gonna attend? You know, and they are not bearing any fruits. So let the Kenya Human Rights continue pushing for the compensation of all the abduction survivors, all the extrajudicial killings victims, and everyone who suffered under the atrocities of this government.
Vile tumeona zile pesa wanayudhi wetu walikuwa wameahidiwa hawakulipwa. Ningionelea ni vizuri serikali ione ni vizuri walipe hawa watoto wetu. Ninaogopa sababu hata vijana wetu wakiwa wanatokea kwa barabara, pia tuko na hofu sisi nyumbani kama wazazi, sababu hatujui kama watoto wetu watarudi, kwa maana kuna hizi magari zenye huwa ninasikia ati Subaru zenye zina numbers. Watoto wetu wakitokea wanachukuliwa na hizo gari na tuwezi jua kama watoto watarudi ama wamepelekwa wapi. Kwa hivyo tuko na hofu vijana wetu wakubaliwe kufanya maandamano bila uoga.
We have petitioned the government to give us the funds and we are waiting. We have not gotten money from the central government for this job. And compensation, kulipa watu is not our role. I repeat, kuwapatia watu pesa is not our role. That is the work of the central government. Lakini the complaints, verifying, tuandika list ambao tunajua ya kweli tumeona hawa watu walidhulumiwa au wapendwa wao walifariki. We have given the president that list.
Tugitigana na icio tuhiuke kuria mwena wa Siaya. Uria wari gavana wa tene wa kaunti ya Siaya Cornel Lasanga nianiriire gukaruira giturwa kia useneta kaunti ya Siaya hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. Rasanga ehitete wako akingethanira na Ndagĩtarĩ Oburu Oginga na uria kwa ihinda riri no senator county niyo. Rasanga arĩtio arĩ gwake muciĩ Segera hĩndĩ igongona rĩa gũcokia ngatho.
I declare that I would be running for the seat of the senator for Siaya in the coming year. This is because of, number one, my track record. When I was a governor, I was the first pioneer governor, started from zero and left Siaya somewhere, and therefore would like to return and take steps to reach certain things that never took off from where I left them. You all know that devolution is something that you cannot just learn it one day. So it took me the 10 years that I was there to learn a few things which I think would be very useful to the people of Siaya and to Kenya at large. I am an ODM life member, and I told you, for me to run to be ejected from ODM, you will have to use nyundo, yeah, kutoa mimi from ODM. But if they eject me, it is good that there are a lot of alternatives for me to use. Sawa sawa. So I will be using those alternatives once I'm ejected. The party leader is a friend of mine, he's a relative of mine. It is his right to declare that he wants to defend his seat, except he's not honest, because when he was going to contest, we had agreed that he goes that term and then he leaves me also to go. But now he's still going, so I will be having a right to compete with him.
Tugitigana icio cigie uteti kurira gitiro kia seneta mwena ucio wa Siaya tuko tugitirira hau muhoro maito ma itharire gabashia mwanya ni gwitihokana mabao maku tuko tukumenyithia maria tuma na mokirine gitu kia muhoro tha imwe ni tugucokereria una shihada tha ibato tugibina bena gukumenyithia magire mama bina bena kuhandika theini wa bururi nie njitagwo Maureen Wanjiru na ke mwabire na njira ya shiko Auma Rorin wa Boi twakwendithĩria birori mwega wa tabarĩra cia Kĩheo TV na iria irarumirira.